everyone. My name is Thomas Kellogg. I'm an associate on the advisor growth track here at Bogart Wealth, and today we'll be speaking about maintaining your financial records. This presentation has been created to explain the basics of maintaining these records and the importance of being organized. On today's agenda, we'll be talking about what items you should keep, how long you should keep them, out with the old, in with the new, where you should keep your records, digital security best practices, consolidation for convenience, considering a financial binder, and consider creating a personal document locator. Maintaining your financial records, the importance of being organized. An essential part of managing your finances is keeping your financial records organized. Whether it's a utility bill to show proof of residency or a social security card for wage reporting purposes, there will be times when you need to locate a financial record quickly. By clearing out and organizing your financial documents, you'll ensure you can find what you need exactly when you need it. So, what should you keep? If you tend to keep everything just in case, ask yourself whether each item serves a legal, tax, or financial purpose in the near future. Otherwise, your desk or home office may be overflowing with non-essential documents. Documents worth keeping are typically those that are either difficult to replace or legally significant, such as tax returns, legal contracts, insurance claims, or proof of identity. On the other hand, documents that are easily accessible online, such as credit cards or bank statements, generally don't need to be kept in paper unless you prefer those physical copies. As a general rule, keep financial records only as long as necessary. For instance, you may only need to keep your ATM or credit card receipts until you've reconciled them with your monthly statement. Legal documents, or those difficult to replace, should be kept much longer, or even indefinitely. Here are some general guidelines. Items to keep for 1 year or less include bank or credit union statements, credit card statements, utility bills, autos and homeowners insurance policies until they are renewed. Items that you should keep for more than a year include tax returns and supporting documentation. We recommend keeping those for at least 3 to 7 years. This also includes mortgage contracts, property appraisals, annual retirement investment statements, and receipts for major purchases or home improvements. Items that you should keep indefinitely include birth, death, and marriage certificates, adoption records, citizenship and military discharge papers, social security cards, wills, power of attorneys, trust documents, and healthcare directives. As a note, remember that these are general recommendations and your personal or legal circumstances may require different timelines. To keep your filing system manageable, follow the principle: out with the old, in with the new. For example, when you receive your new auto insurance policy, discard the previous one. When you receive an annual investment statement, you can usually discard monthly or quarterly statements. However, you may want to keep quarterly reports if you're actively monitoring your portfolio or reconciling investment performance. Aim to review your files at least once a year, and when discarding sensitive documents, always use a shredder to protect your personal information from identity theft. Where should you keep your financial records? Start with a labeled filing system in a file, drawer, or a box. For irreplaceable or legal documents, use a fire-resistant safe or safe deposit box. If space is a concern, consider going paperless. You can scan documents and store them electronically on electronic hard drives or portable storage devices, password-protected computers, or cloud-based storage, ensuring that it offers encryption, backup, and support. Digital security best practices. If you're storing documents digitally, make sure to protect your information with best practices. Use strong, unique passwords and consider using a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication on financial and email accounts. Keep your computer software and antivirus tools up to date and protect against malware and hacking. Consolidating for convenience. One of the best ways to stay organized is by consolidating your financial records into a central location. Whether digital or physical, having one designated place for key financial documents can simplify tax preparation, budgeting, and estate planning. Here's how to consolidate effectively. Create a tax folder, physical or digital, including W-2s, 1099s, donation receipts, mortgage interest statements, and deductible expense records. Keep investment and retirement statements together. Gather annual or quarterly reports from all accounts into one file or folder. Centralize logins and passwords. Use a secure password manager, sync email with finance tags or folders, automatically direct financial correspondence to a labeled folder in your inbox. Consolidation not only saves time, but also ensures that you or your loved ones can quickly access all necessary documents in one place. Consider a financial binder. If you prefer physical organization, consider using a financial binder or organizer. Include sections for budgeting and expenses, key financial and legal contracts, monthly bills and subscriptions, account summaries, and estate planning documents. This can serve as a convenient, tangible overview of your finances and essential information. Consider creating a personal document locator. A personal document locator is a detailed list of where you've stored important financial and personal records. It can be invaluable in an emergency or if someone needs to manage your affairs on your behalf. Your document locator should include personal information such as your social security number and date of birth, key contacts such as your attorney, accountant, and financial advisor, online accounts with usernames and password hints, and the physical and digital locations of important documents. Store this locator securely and let a trusted person know where to find it. Thank you for joining this presentation on maintaining your financial records. For more information and content, feel free to check our website and social media platforms.